Looking right now, that smoke is now coming out of the chimney, and we are holding off before making any kind of declaration because it is at night and it is raining. We want to hold off before any color will be determined.
Looks white.
That's good timing.
It certainly looks, it appears to be white. It is very much white.
Indeed.
And you can see the cheers.
So then we have a new pope.
We have a new pope, and you can hear the cheers from St. Peter's Square out there, and you can see all of those crowds that have been gathered outside waiting for that smoke to come from St. Peter's, from inside the Sistine Chapel. Let's listen in as the crowd is reacting.